As zoos go, you're in a good wicket. Huh? So that way. But generally, wildlife enthusiasts would like to see them in the wild. That angle will be there, but you can't help it. Animals have to be protected and their disturbance to their habit kept to the minimum.
Yes.
Now, if we are capable of doing that, I think most of the endangered species can bounce back. See, environment is a continuous effort. It's not only depending on a government alone. Every citizen has a duty.
Yes.
So we have to be aware of it and we have to contribute. So all of us have a duty, and collectively, if we do it, I think our wildlife will be one of the. If we are capable of doing it, we have to rise to that occasion. That's so much. God bless.
Cage we have only one male. Actually, all are male. So
All
that
are
they-
male.
Oh,
I mean,
that's
so
why
you know, keep all with them same closer.
otherwise they might tend to fight.
Yes, sir. Definitely, definitely.
They must be wondering, just like we are looking at them, they must be wondering what